and the temple was filled with smoke. And Isaiah says, holy smoke, right? And we know the problem here. What he actually says is, oy vey! Or in Hebrew of his era, oy li, but it's the same. If you got Jewish friends, you'll appreciate this. And what does God do? Well, you know the story, right? That God touches his lips with the purifying coal. He sends a messenger of grace. Don't lose the mediating role of the angel here, of the seraph, right? One of the seraph connects the coal from the altar to the lips. Is this what happens in our worship? That you connect the presence of God on the altar with the lips of the people. Here, this has touched your lips. Your sin is forgiven. Your guilt is gone. I would paraphrase that. Now, this is preparation for ministry, right? Good brothers, those who will speak the words of absolution are those who have first been absolved, who first have known the grace and forgiveness of Christ to us, to me. And without that sort of fundamental understanding of the forgiveness and it's interesting how this all focuses finally on the forgiveness of sins. Isaiah says, by the way, I am a man of unclean lips, living in the midst of a people unclean of lips. Note the both individual and corporate nature. This is an aside, but I think one of the things we've lost heavily is the corporate nature of our church. Congregational autonomy is just working against us at every step of the way here. The worship of the church is not the worship of the church is the worship of the church. It's not your worship as a congregation.